Becoming one of a notable rich person is not an easy task. It takes years for some to become rich, while for others it brings luck. However, getting rich is not just about how to make money or more money, but what you will do with the money to strengthen your wealth. Before going into the list of which assets can make you rich, it is essential to know the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets are what keep money in your pocket or account, while liabilities cost you money. Therefore, the more resources you have to make money, the richer you will be. Liquid amounts of money. Liquid money means cash, the most common thing you need to get rich. As you have cash in the bank, you will earn interest, which will increase the amount of cash. However, these days, the amount of interest banks pay is not up to date with inflation. But cash is still the priority. Real estate. Real estate has been one of the most recommended assets for wealth growth. This is one of the reasons assets make you rich, and you can rent them continuously. Therefore, you can earn a significant amount of money monthly by renting your property. Apart from this, real estate prices are increasing day by day, so you can always sell it at a higher price. Stocks. Stocks are not as complex to understand as it seems. It is easy to own a percentage of a publicly traded business. For example, suppose business issues 1000 shares and owns 100 of them, making you 10% company owner. And thus, by buying stocks with a small investment, you can quickly become part of the ownership and dividends of any company and enter the stock market. Bonds. When the government needs cash for the business, it issues money called bonds, which are sold to interested investors. The government commits to pay a certain amount of money to the person who buys the bond. Bonds are a much safer investment because the government backs them, and many believe bonds are better than banks offer. Raw materials and equipment. Any raw materials or equipment related to the work, moreover, you or your family do or are connected with is your essential property, like seeds and fertilizers to a farmer and his laptop to a programmer. Your such assets help you earn, and such properties can also make you rich.